Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you want to log in your TikTok with Apple ID or Facebook or Gmail and facing this type of issue, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after this simply you need to scroll it below, click on general, and guys click on iPhone storage. And from here you need to open your TikTok app, and guys after this you need to offload your app, and after offload you need to reinstall again from your app store. And guys at third you need to open your app store here. So guys, after this here you need to search TikTok, as you can see here. After searching it you need to click on TikTok, and guys you need to update your app if not updated. And guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys maybe there is network problem on your iPhone. So guys, to fix your network problem you need to open your settings again. And guys after this you need to click on general, scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset your network settings from here. And after this you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN. And guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys at last you need to update your check for update your iPhone. So guys, if you have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.